Hello YouTube, it's me, Dabber170, and if you can see, for proof, guys, for proof, I don't know how to use effects, so I don't really want to show my Robux. I don't want to brag, because then y'all will be saying I'm bragging, but then here's this. This is the screen recorder I use. It's amazing. That's the link. I might put in the description, I might not. But anyways, I was gonna play that game, but I decided I wanted, to play something else. Maybe, maybe, I was gonna play Iron Royale, actually. So guys, this, if you're not already, subscribe, hit that like button, and yeah, turn the notifications on. I'm sorry guys if I sound weird. It's just like, I'm a bit sick. Like I said, yeah, I'm not even gonna explain. I made a video, but it didn't finish. But look, my friend got 2 of these levels for me, and I got 2 of them. So yeah, I hope you can hear my voice. If not, then I'm gonna edit it. But I hope you can. English. If you're Spanish, sorry. And guys, I got these myself. I got all the faces myself. I got this myself, so don't, it's okay, whatever you think. I mean, I'm fine with it. I got everything myself. But, wish my friends were in. But I wish this was a bigger screen recorder, like I could share my whole screen with you. Like, see, it shows parts of it. So I hope you can see, but I'm clicking ready. If you can't see it, sorry. But I'm getting this tomorrow, and tomorrow my friend actually gonna give me a lot of Robux so I can get to level 20 something, like level 25. And I'll get all of this stuff and all of this stuff. Dominus and all this. The light meds. The frost blade. Hyped. Sorry if I talk too much. Sorry YouTube, like honestly, I'm very sorry. I just gotta do it for YouTube. Cause, if any of y'all are on my friends list, you finally get to hear my voice. I found a screen recorder instead of Roblox screen recorder. So yeah, that's good. And plus, this game don't even have Roblox screen recorder. But that sucks for the people that want to. That sucks for the people that want to record on this game. I might do it 7 minutes, but yeah, this video might be 7 minutes long. I'll just have to see it. Alright, I'm gonna be silent and just play, and some of y'all might be pros in this game, but I'm not. I might die on first kill, but yeah, I'll be silent and I'll play some music if I can find any. If I can't, I'll just be silent. Because I'm new on this screen recorder, so I'll try to edit music. But if I can't, I'll just be silent. Okay, I'm gonna be silent and play music, but it might be slow motion, fast motion, or it might just be regular motion. Because I'm new to this editor, okay guys? So yeah, I'm gonna be silent now. Okay, YouTube, sorry, but it's not working. I'm gonna die because it won't let me get my items out. Sorry, YouTube. I'm very sorry. It just sucks. Really sucks, YouTube. But see, I just got eliminated because the item won't work. I think because I got the screen record. Is it alright? I just paused it for a minute. But I don't think I can play this game. Sorry, YouTube. It just won't let me get my items out. And that sucks. So yeah, that's one thing that really sucks. Oh my gosh. How about we play some Liberty County? I'll just play some Liberty County. I'm sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. What? It goes up to 15 minutes? I can only record till 15. Guys, I'm really upset. I can only record for 15 minutes. I mean, I've been recording for 7 minutes. Nothing will work. What? No way. No way. I gotta buy new cars. I have to buy cars again. What? It thinks I'm new? Guys, look how crazy this is. It thinks I'm new when I played this game before. Oh my god, guys. What the heck is this? That much horsepower? Wow. I'm gonna pick a black one. Purchase. Oh, it's one of these sucky cars. No, I hate them. Oh, I hate them. Oh, I'm gonna have to just buy this. Cause I don't wanna be judged, but I hate this. Not enough money. What the heck? Alright. Hey, at least I got a black Challenger. And at least it gave me a lot of money. Yes, now we get a lot of money. And there's 2 spawns, I think. This game's new, it's alpha, so you won't get to... Oh, 9 minutes already? Almost 9 minutes. Oh, no. No, I'm getting pulled over. Oh, alright, YouTube. I'm gonna be silent and roleplay. I'm gonna be silent and roleplay. Because I got peppers. YouTube, I'm trolling. I'm getting out of freaking park mode. Oh shit! YouTube! No! YouTube, they're taking me! YouTube, they're taking me! No, I'm out. Hiya. Hi. Ha. Hiya. No, YouTube! This is what you get. You get freaking pulled over. Ah, YouTube, they're after me. Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna have to pull over on the bridge. It's so Oh, they failed me. Ooh, this is sketchy. Look, there's like cops over there. Out of the car. Why, sir? Why, sir? Yo, I can't be there with this. I'm sorry, yo. I'm sorry. Shoot. Shoot. No. Alright, for real though. I gotta pull over now. Ooh. No, they got me. They got me. This got me like this. No. No, they're blocking me off. They're gonna block me off, you two. You two. No. No, they blocked me. No. Dude, I got to get in the back of your... Do I gotta get in the back of your car? Oh my god, guys. Is this thing even recording? Alright, guys, I might end it off. Oh my god, bruh. Oh my gosh. I gotta go to the sheriff office. No. He can't be writing me a ticket. No, stop. No, you can't look at my license. Please, sir. Please don't look at my license. Please don't look at my license. Oh shoot, he already ripped me up. Man, I'm sad. Alright, YouTube, I'm gonna end it off here. Bye.